Oh, the Lord. Oh, the Lord. Oh, the Lord, remember me. The Lord, oh, the Lord, oh, the Lord, remember me. The Lord, oh, the Lord, oh, the Lord, remember me. It's a way beyond. Oh, oh, the Lord, oh, the Lord, oh, the Lord, remember Queen. The Lord, oh, the Lord. Oh, this, hello.
Queenie, pick up yourself for one.
Queen, have you have dimple?
Look at something. Look at something. Look at something.
Okay, it's all right. It's good. Where you calling from?
Florida, Florida.
Florida. Say yes, cause you're calling and you're live with the Queen. What you want to say to me? What's your name?
Winning boss.
In your
The
weird
boss.
marks?
Winning boss. Winning boss. You hear me?
Yeah, your name what?
Winning boss.
Winning Boss.
Mm-hmm.
Winning Boss. Say yes, cause you're blessed cause he's a winner. And you're now live with the Queen and the Queen is wearing red. And red means danger. And danger means for cut and clear the crosses in the name of Jesus. Winning Boss. A win, we are win. You're the
I
first
received
somebody
it.
come from my life. He's a winner and the Queen is a winner. Big up yourself, madam.
Received it more.
Blessing. Winning Boss. You're nice. Yes,
Thanks,
sir.
thanks.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, a winning Boss. Him name pan is something for true. All right, Mr. King Mix Up. Are you gonna come over here for now? I don't know I get so much energy. I have to give God thanks. Why you take it to art and go back and post my husband video? You think you can bantan me? You can't bantan me. Let me tell you a little secret. Remember on my page when I take it off, my page will lock down. And me fascinated out. So wait there, on the man the ramp. And me make you big and blood clot fat and flavor like club a dab a dash that you can blood clot ramp and skin for you.
Queenie Wagwan, me the from here, I work. I'm a
Allah, you have nice girl.
blood clot time.
Big up yourself. Thank you, my darling. Big up your nice clean self and enjoy work. You hear that? No. You ball to the like a bitch. Like a Caribbean queen bitch. I say he's a messenger and why Queenie doing me this and where Queenie doing me that. But you still go back and take my husband video where you post where you hear my husband and say for the rest of my life him gonna have me up. So come just say you know mean me not bad. And you just carry on with what people are carrying. But you have around 6 page. You have YouTube page and I flood up all of them. So now today when I take the pad and give you the pad, I should have slapped you in your blood clot face with it, but I never remember. Then I bury you in the ground out there, so you balling like a fucking Caribbean queen. You go back and post my husband video. You can't use that and beat me. I love the video. You know, see me repost it. Make the man have up my dirty blood clot. How much time am I going to have me up for the same video? None of blood clot on no act like me. Any blood clot thing I bring to me, I put it on my page. Give God thanks a lot for the strength and the energy I have. You see the first somebody will come from my life with him name? Winning Boss. Winning blood clot, boss. I mean, I can have some slabberdash blood clot, big belly Jamaican man where they can't even move and short a breath. My husband can walk by all him blood clot and I know, go move on a little dirty self. I don't like hear my voice, don't. I mean, like hear my voice, too, you know. Ah, I'm not hungry, I'm not petty, I'm not dumb. All me see that now, me I got say blood clot, I want man for ramp with me. So you know, hear me and the man in I better me I tell him I want to do that. I want to do that. My big and fat and slobber dash no blood clot. But I like go up on my head and do that. You know, go with no bad-minded blood clots. My eyebrow them look good. Who no want to feel? You never see girl in a do it in her neck, I put her up on my page. No, can't flap me. No can't use that to shape me. You just a look more views. So better the people them cover my page come watch it more than give you ugly blood clot king mix up on my box with my pad to that bunny. The pad box up your dirty blood clot. You think you never know some of this song and I need to go and get you wait for this your dirty blood clot. I will put you trouble me. Remember you did trouble with me with Marvin Maglags. Marvin the Beast, I should say. Remember you trouble me with Marvin the Beast on before me turn artist. Them say who should I read down member at King Mix Up. You come from a small island, there is a Peter blood clot file, and that if you tell them say a child molester, you come in a silent. Why you think you can't show yourself? You think nobody don't know your file is a child molester. And that's if you tell the people them, that's why you scream black and it's only a voice. But you're from the Caribbean. You have to remember, I am the fucking queen. Me are the queen on the scene, so any blood clot deeds you have, me I go find it out. I'm going to do a homework for you. Them say you're a Caribbean, you come from one of the small islands. And he's a child molester. Because he's a child molester, you have to go anonymous. So when you go take my husband's video now, if you put in back here something where you post on 10 times already. I King Mix Up my day for today. I King Mix Up time now. You gotta repost my husband video with turn me on. You just make me want to see my husband right now for turn me on again. You idiot. I me post it. Me have no reason now. I would tell enough for the boom flick. You look a bit for you look a bit to blood clot. Me I walk by my and I do all that. Me have a slim trim blood clot fit husband. Him supposed to come in at the house right now and I'll walk by him and entertain me. So when you want to feel some type of way for share to the world, say my husband upon him head top. When you sit down and come off a live a reality chipping on yourself, you lot are so fucking petty and negative. When a negative and a small-minded people not stay one place. That's why I'm gonna sit down and listen to me and then send it over YouTube.
Queenie.
Oi.
Momo, come over Queenie with me. Everybody over here, so come a Queenie there. Who but I am a friend, Amel. Me and Momo are come. No,
What?
no
Momo
right
there.
now. Me get your WhatsApp yesterday. Me get it after you come off for the live.
No, me have one flexible my husband with them so on porridge. And him
Yeah.
like me. Right now,
So Momo the other. Send in a request, Momo.
Where Momo there?
Share there.
Our Momo there. Me not see no Momo.
M.O. with the looking face. The Momo fed up with the monkey something looking face.
Oh, the something we see yesterday.
Yeah. Other.
Yeah. Yeah, my other.
Miss Wang, big up yourself. Wang. I love you, Miss Wang.
Hey, Queenie.
Mojo, big up yourself. Shakira, my bestie. Big up yourself.
Big up all who they here, sir.
Yeah, big up everybody.
We come from a small island. Them say he's a child molester.
Bumbleclad.
It's truth. If you listen to him accent, and that's why I'm got anonymous. What the word name?
Anonymous, yes, anonymous.
That's why I'm still anonymous.
Mm-hmm.
Now this man get up on that trouble me how long I'm gonna pay him no mind. And to them I get up and get one pad. Two little catch up on the pad. Are you my him? Come on, not only you man. How much somebody I got text it for me behind one another, ain't it?
Yeah.
Two little catch up on it, you man, dig one dirt. I listen to him voice note, put it in the dirt. I say my bury up, whatever. You know if you take it for compliment, cause you like mix up your name King Blood Clot mix up. The man I go look for my husband's video when my husband said he ate me for. And him I go forever have me up for and repost it. But I'm feeling something now for my husband left me. So what me do with the bad blood clot bitch what me have? I me first post it and it more Mel.
Yeah.
The man said to me when me like house of video, say Queenie don't post it cause them people are too terrible. I said that video you turn me on me like one of the people them saw your mag and can't flip. Yeah? And him said, don't post it. Couple days I come mad over the video. The way I do it can't walk on him and do it just come and flick. Do it just run on the something and flick over.
I'm joyful, yeah.
Right. Me and the way I walk, you know the blue jump on them where they are in Jamaica where they put the rubbish in.
Yes.
Yeah. And the way I ramp and the way I run down the road and do it just jump over the jump, the big tree rim jump. So them something that fascinate me. But cut a long story short, so the fascinate me. One night, that's how before me and him married, you know. One night, when I was asleep, I'm there in Jamaica, I wake him up, and him now wake up. I'm just run through the phone, see the video. I said, blood clad, watch my husband him fit. Momo.
Yeah.
Draw out my pussy tongue and turn it in a blood clad twirly tongue. Them class me and do it. Oh, do it upon them attack and mess them people are study. So we don't have no happy life and a little more.
Him did a flip. I see the video, I flip him like him did a flip him never dip on the head top.
Don't mind blood clot them. So where him do now, to me bury him today and give him a pad, which is ketchup pad. Come and make sure I get the clean pad and put the ketchup on it, make them see in it. And then humor him, because remember, me's a fucking humorous person, because before me make you break me turn in a blood clot puppy show like how you want to turn me in a puppy show. So that's all me do. Me not have nothing against King Mix Up really, because as him say, he's a messenger. So yeah, messenger, you're gonna get blood clot shot because enough people like him disturb.
Bumba.
Him disturb a lot of people life. In a March and in August when my husband run away. And my husband put on something on him status. When I look over King Mix Up page, King Mix Up said, do we say Queenie have STD? Pan him YouTube, you know how much views him get for that? But come on now, my husband did not say that. Thanksgiving festive. My husband did not say that, but in my heart, I just bury that and say, King Mix Up, you see the day me all blood clot, you not gonna like it, and this are the day today. So King Mix Up, the reason why I get the blood up pad, the ketchup pad, is because you tell lie that my husband said I have STD. I have my sexual health blood clot clinic. I'm gonna check myself and play it on this. Don't try to fear me thing and take it say me just gonna take it lightly because I'm terrible. Me have feelings as well, and me a human in it. So not take this thing too hard and not take me for a rascal. Feeding tree. Too much people are feed off of my energy. And if I sit down and don't feed back off of them blood clot energy, you know what them I gonna do? Them I gonna drive my blood clot mad. So you know what I do? When somebody called me a while ago and said, King Mix Up put up a do it post, me just say, send it, come give me. Me a bad blood clot, girl. You can't take my post on me, take and put up a